Starting to look a bit more like a bike now. So next we've got brakes. So have a look at the brake shoes that were on it. Yeah, they weren't too bad. Like comparing them to the ones that I got from Leander. Still plenty of meat on there, but they're rock hard where these ones here are a lot softer as well, so I don't know. It's nice to know when you put the brakes on that you're going to stop. And so I'd rather spend the money and put some new brakes on there. I'm not going to throw these out though, I'll save them just in case we need them to put together a junk bike or whatever. So I'll keep them anyway. It's interesting, I don't know whether because these are aftermarket ones or what, or if these are genuine ones, maybe, I don't know. But the springs are in different locations and slightly different springs, but yep, there you go. Yeah, I've cleaned obviously the wheel out where the brake drum is, and also this side of it as well, and repacked the worm gear for the speedo drive, full of grease as well. Worm gear, speedo drive. Yep, sounds right to me. If I'm making words up, just tell me. The brake drum itself I've cleaned out just with a bit of sandpaper through there, going around the sides, so that'll work that out. Sorry about that, the cat wanted attention. The bearings themselves are pretty good, so I'm not going to bother taking them out. They're rolling nicely, they're not noisy or anything on both sides, so I'll leave them the way they are. So yeah, I guess reassemble these brakes, put the front wheel on, and we'll go from there. Alright, it's another one of those things that took way longer than expected. I was lazy because I had the front guard on already, couldn't be bothered undoing the bolts, so I struggled my way to get it on. Eventually gave up, went and got a spanner, undid the front guard bolts, and was able to get it on a lot easier. Funny that. Yeah, I didn't have the right size split pin either, so I cut one in half and did that, but I'll just get a new split pin later on. Sure, I've got a lot more to do anyway. So what's next? Well, moving our way down the engine, or down the bike, we'll go to the engine. So I will do the valve clearances next. In the next video, and I will also just double check the points as well, the gap of the points. I do have a renew spark plug as well, so I'll put that in at the same time. Then I'll go around to changing this gear lever here, and also changing the pegs to the Aggie pegs. There's a few reasons for this. These pegs are, I don't even know whether they are pasty pegs. They do look a little bit like it, but obviously they're new ones that have been replaced at some point. I don't mind the pasty pegs when you're cruising around the streets or whatever, but they can be a bit painful, especially loading bikes in and out of trailers and cars and stuff. They do like to get snagged on a few things. And when they fold up, they tend to stay up. Whereas the Aggie pegs are spring loaded, so they do fold back down, although one of the springs in this one over here is broken, so it stays up. And that's a pain in the ass, so I'll get around to, I'll just pull that spring out and just take a loop out of it and then redo it. It won't have as much spring tension on it, but it'll still work. So yeah, they flip back down and you hit something. The other reason why I like these pegs are they are a bit grippier than the rubber pegs. They're better for boots and that, off-road style stuff. Yeah, we like the ones on this. They're a little bit narrower. People see as a disadvantage, but I quite like it. As you can see there, pretty much lines up with the front crash racks there, whereas the other pegs do tend to stick out a fair bit, and like I said, do get stuck on bits and pieces. Yeah, look there. No, what's that? Say, I'm really not thinking today, am I? Say 1450 mil out. Whereas your Ag style pegs, yeah, 750. So almost half, pretty much. They don't stick out much at all. Yeah, people do get worried that you don't have enough sort of boot to catch on there, sort of thing. But my feet have never actually slipped off them or whatever because they're too narrow. I've quite enjoyed these ones. So yeah, we'll do that. Now we're still got to work out how we're going to hold these things up. Hose clamps, BJ. I might give it a go with some spare hose clamps there. Otherwise, I'm just going to put a big fat cable tie under there, and then fold these up over the top. So we've got that to do, and then I've already put the new Kickstarter on and returned the one from my bike as well. So that's done. So I'll just work our way down the bike. I'll put the tube cover on, just to see what it looks like with it on. Give me a bit more motivation to keep going. We'll just keep going. And yeah, bye.